In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing skin retouching technique that will literally smooth out skin like butter. I'm also sharing a few bonus tips to take your portrait editing to the next level. Let's jump right in. First things first. Let's make a copy of our original image to keep everything non-destructive. So just press Ctrl+J to duplicate your layer. This will create a backup layer where all the magic will happen. Now here comes the secret sauce. Change the blending mode of this new layer to Vivid Light. Don't worry if the image looks a bit intense. That's exactly what we want right now. Next, we'll invert this layer to flip the light values and reveal hidden details. Simply press Ctrl+I. Your image might look like something from a sci-fi movie. But hold on, it's all part of the process. Now go to the top menu, Filter, Other, High Pass. This is where the smoothing magic begins. Drag the slider until you see the skin textures getting softer. Go with what feels right. This step removes unevenness while keeping important skin details intact. To balance out the texture and soften the effect even more, head back up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 2 pixels. This gently blurs any harsh edges left behind by the high-pass filter and gives the skin a smoother, more natural look. Now let's make it even more precise. Click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of your Layers panel, and then press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. This hides everything we just did so we can reveal it only where we need it. Pick your Brush Tool B and make sure to select a soft, round brush. Set the foreground color to white and start painting over the areas of skin you want to smooth, usually the cheeks, forehead, and chin. Be gentle here. Avoid the eyes, eyebrows, lips, and hair. We want to keep those areas sharp and full of life. As you brush over the skin, you'll see that incredible smoothness come through. And it still looks natural. Not too fake, not too plastic. Just clean and polished skin that pops on screen. And that's it. You just learned one of the most effective and non-destructive skin smoothing techniques in Photoshop, in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful editing tricks just like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific Photoshop effect you'd like me to cover next.